All right, so you've been living in your house for a while, and now it's time to borrow some money from all the money you've been paying down your mortgage and paying down your debt. So the way to do that is you could borrow against your home, right? So you could take out a Heloc, a home equity line of credit, and let's just do the math on this to see how this could actually get you to be able to purchase more real estate. Obviously, real estate is chess, not checkers, so all your moves have to be really, really calculated. But let's just take a look at some of the opportunities that you could have. Let's say you have a house and you've been paying the house down for a while, okay? Let's say the home value is worth 1.3 million. Let's say that is the bank assessment, right? Because those guys, they assess it to be safe. You can obviously always sell the house for much more. So if it's assessed for 1.3, in some cases you might be able to get 1.5. But let's say the house is worth 1.3 million. The bank will allow you to borrow 80% of your home's equity, right? How do you calculate your home's equity? So take that 1.3 million, right, times 0.80, right, 80%. That 80% is now 1,040,000. Let's say you've been paying down the debt for quite some time, so you have about $540,000 in a mortgage that still needs to be paid. Minus $1,040,000 minus the $540,000, and now you have $500,000 in equity. You can borrow that $500,000 to go purchase yourself let's say a building. Let's say you take some of that money and you put on a $2 million building or a $1 million building. You literally can put down 20%, and if you do that, then you could take that money, buy another property, get the property up to date, get the property fully functional, right? Turn it all around. Let's say it takes you a couple years. You pay that $500,000 back over the next 10 to 12 years, and then your other property is now worth more money. It paid off the home equity, and you get what I'm saying? So that's how you can use the money in your property to be able to purchase more properties and to be able to actually secure your financial future and grow over time. So you can always do that. So if you have equity in your house or you want to talk about it, you know who to call.